We must protect.
President William Ruto ni akorwo akiaria uhoro uyu wigie Butere Girls kaundu karetereirwo ni andu muno. Oroho Butere Girls principal ni akorwo akiri transferred days after gukorwo agitikira airetu a cukuru ucio mathake this play ya Echoes of War. Ino ironekana kurakaria thirikari ya President William Ruto. Muhuthiri umwe wa social media akorwo akiandikana kuga Madam Jennifer Omondi, the principal of Butere Girls High School, has been transferred to Wajir Day Secondary School in Wajir County. She has been directed to report to her new station immediately. Deto Jeff Kuria akoro agikindira itumi ciake gutwarwo kuria Wajir itinakorwo igitaririo, but Kenyans believe it is because of the play ino ya Senator Cleopas Malala kana yandikitwo ni Senator Cleopas Malala ya Echoes of War. President Ruto oregeni onekana ko blame aciari ni undu wa mitugo ya ciana ciao, akionekana kwaria about Butere Girls drama. Ruto auga aciari nio magirire gutira ciana ciao kimitugo. Ruto danonekana gukorwa akihutia muno about ndeto ici, no nionekana kwaga kuhutia mitugo ya borithi ona hanini. Are marakorirwo makionekana mageikia tear gas riria marakendaga muingi wegute niguo ndugagikorwo ugithikiriria play ino.
So mambo haya yote ni ya muhimu. Nimeasikiza vile viongozi wamesema hapa. Mimi na wao ni timu moja, na tutapanga hiyo maneno yote na tuyatekeleza